Good morning, this is Sean Taylor with Silver Creek Realty Group, and I want to welcome you to 14286 Shenandoah Street in Caldwell, not far off the Karcher exit. This house was built in 2001. It's 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,102 square feet. Notice the nice deep driveway here. Got the actual mailboxes. Nice exterior paint with the brick accent that goes all the way up to the roof there. Very neutral colors. I love the walkway going up to the front. Beautifully landscaped. Full automated sprinkler systems on irrigation water. It's got the full rain gutters across the front here. The vented eaves. Easy to maintain rock out front. You have the security screen door, but it's nice and elegant. It has this cool color on here as well. The Ring doorbell system, kind of the bay windows coming out. I like how the concrete porch extends out. The wood fencing. Another look at the front here. Let's go inside and take a look. Okay, we're heading inside. I already have my shoes off. And the first thing you'll notice is a nice open plan here with the vaulted ceilings. Very neutral paint, brand new carpet in here. Very cool light fixtures throughout the whole house. Ceiling fan, window blinds installed with the window sills. I love the choice of carpet in here, very neutral. Kind of a nice low cut. Then you have the laminate flooring in here. Another great dining room light fixture. Nice big windows looking out here, or slider I should say. Fully landscaped backyard with automated sprinkler systems, which are active. Some garden box over there. Big mature trees behind the home. Single levels behind also, so you don't have people staring in your backyard. And then boom, kitchen. I love it. The cabinets had all brand new doors, refinished all the boxes. Just looks phenomenal. And then you have the solid surface countertops here. Very light and bright, very open. Full tile backsplash, professionally done. Lots of outlets, stainless steel appliances, pantry, microwave, and I love this sink. Nice big Delta deep sink with a nice window right in front of it. Again, another great light fixture. Very elegant blinds here. There's another good look at the backyard. I'm not gonna be able to walk out there with you since it's wet right now. And I love that it's a walk-through kitchen. So open over here and opens straight through there. And again, the vaulted ceilings. Lots of recessed can lighting that was added. So it's a very light and bright home. I'll walk you back out this way. Again, two-tone paint. Ceiling is painted white, which is a nice touch. Just makes everything really bright. Here's your guest bath. Shower tub combo. Medicine cabinet that was added above the toilet area, just additional storage space. The raised vanity, big mirror. Different light fixtures in here as well, real modern looking. Then bedroom number 1. Blinds, again, nice light fixture. Has a more modern thermostat here. And then you have your storage over here. Your laundry room, the nice cabinet there. And a shelf up above, you hang some clothes, and that goes out to the garage. Just a standard garage. And then you have, Current owners used it as an office. That's just light coming off right here from the window. Cool light fixture up here as well. The bifold doors, custom paint. Notice the kind of, I don't know what finish they would call that, maybe like a satin finish, hardware. Then you have the primary bedroom here, ceiling fan, lots of light. Closet, nice big closet over here. And the window looking outside, of course. I don't know where else a window would look. Window looking to the backyard is what I was trying to say. There's me. Hello, good morning. You have a nice tall toilet here, shower tub combo. Yeah. Upgraded spigot, shower head, upgraded faucet there. Nice vinyl sheet flooring. There you have it.